Just imagine waking up one morning and discovering that investors have lost about 5 trillion naira in just a matter of days. That is enough money to build thousands of kilometers of roads, fund major infrastructure projects, and transform entire industries. Yet, this staggering amount disappeared from the Nigerian stock market just like this. Now, here's the scary part. Many investors are asking, is this the beginning of a market crash? Should I sell my shares before things get worse? Or is this exactly how smart money create buying opportunities for themselves? Because history shows that some of the biggest fortunes in the stock market are made during periods when everyone is afraid. Today, we uncover what really caused the 4.9 trillion naira market wipeout, why some investors are secretly excited about it, and what could happen next on the Nigerian exchange. So stay with me to the end of the video because two upcoming events could entirely change the direction of the market in months to come. The Nigerian stock market had been on an extraordinary run. Many stocks were rising almost every week. Banking stocks surged. The likes of GT Bank and Zenith Bank surged between 70 to 80% year to date. Telecom stocks surged like MTN that surged more than 100% year on year. Industrial giants surged. The likes of Dangote Cement, Bua Cement surged more than 200% year on year. Investors were making money so quickly in the NGX that some began to believe the rally would never end. Now let's look at what actually happened in the market. All of a sudden, the market slammed on the brakes. Within days, investors collectively lost multiple trillions in the market value. Panic spread, social media exploded with fear. Market participants began asking whether this was the beginning of something much worse. But before jumping to conclusion, we need to understand what caused this decline. So now let's look at the real reason why the market fell. Most people think markets fall because something terrible happened. Well, sometimes that is true. But this time, the biggest reason was actually much simpler. Profit taking. Think about it this way. Suppose you bought a stock at 20 naira, right? And a few months later, it is trading at 40 naira. You have already made double your money, right? Many investors naturally decide to lock in those profits by selling. Now, imagine thousands of investors doing the exact same thing at the same time, right? Prices begin falling, others become nervous as price gradually drops, which leads to more people selling out of fear. The decline accelerates very fast. That is exactly what happened. Many institutional investors simply decided that after such a strong rally, it was time to collect profit. But that was not the only factor. So now let's look at the silent competitor stealing money away from the stock market. There's another investment quietly competing against the stock market. We have money market funds. This one is experiencing surge in new capital inflow, right from first quarter. We have treasury bills and federal government bonds. The government is doing something very exceptional right now. The government is increasing its yield to attract investors and compete with other financial instruments. So why would somebody want to risk stock market volatility when some fixed income investments are offering attractive yields? Large investors are constantly comparing opportunities. If it is, they can earn strong returns with lower risk elsewhere. Right? In that case, some money will naturally leave the stock market. This does not mean the market is broken. It simply means capital is moving around in search of best opportunities. This is referred to as portfolio rotation. And smart investors, they are doing something, right? they continually appraise the market as to know when to do this. And that is exactly what we are seeing in the stock market right now. So next, we'll look at why this could actually be good news, right? Now, here's the part most headlines won't tell you. Healthy market needs correction. Without correction, markets become overheated. Prices disconnect from reality. Speculation takes over. Correction acts like pressure valves. They allow excessive optimism to cool down, and they often create opportunities for patient investors. Think about some of the world's greatest investors, like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. They don't get excited when prices are soaring. They get excited when quality companies become temporarily cheap. That is why smart money often watches correction very closely. There's a stock market philosophy that I always keep in my head. The market has to go a little bit lower for it to go much more higher. I'm guessing that in your head you might be like, hey Godwin, so what happens next in the market? In my opinion, I expect short-term volatility. I expect fear. I expect dramatic headlines. I expect market swings leading to some lower lows in the chart. The market actually needs to take a breather shortly. But in the long run, the story may be very different. Foreign investors will gradually return to Nigeria. Economic reforms are beginning to reshape the investment landscape of this country. Corporate earnings remain resilient in many sectors. A potential listing of the Dangote refinery and the rating of the Nigerian exchange to the frontier market by FTSE Russell, that is the company that regulates the global stock market. I've talked about both events in my previous video. I don't want to repeat it here again. So both events remain the biggest future catalyst the capital markets have ever seen. And both grand events is speculated to take place between September and October of 2026, as this year. If both events eventually happens, it could attract global attention and billions of dollars in fresh investment will flow into the Nigerian capital market. That is why many professional investors are looking beyond today's fear and they are focusing on tomorrow's opportunities. So if you found this video informative so far, kindly do me a favor. Kindly subscribe to this channel right now. And also, you can like and share this video with people around you that wants to learn about investment and finance. Right? So with that said, let's get back to the video. So what does this 4.9 trillion naira loss really mean? It means the market has reminded investors of one timeless truth. Stocks do not move in a straight line, right? They rise, they correct, they recover, and they rise again. The biggest question is not whether the market fell. The biggest question is whether the businesses behind those stocks are still growing. Because if earnings continue improving, today's fear could eventually become tomorrow's opportunities. This is why you should stick to your research and not just rely on the headlines and social media trends. The investors who win are often not the ones who react emotionally. They are the ones who understand what is really happening beneath the headlines. And right now, beneath the fear, a very interesting story is unfolding on the Nigerian exchange. So what do you think about this decline? Is the NGX heading for a deeper correction? Or is this the buying opportunity many investors have been waiting for? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I am curious to know what exactly your thoughts are. Let the discussion start now in the comment section. If you found this analysis valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell not to miss any subsequent breakdown. So you might want to watch this video right here to see how inflation affects retail investors, and how to use inflation to our advantage. As I say, wealth is not luck, it is built from information followed with execution. Take care, and I salute.